Welcome to your 16th tutorial on beginning HTML. Today, we're going to go over how to set up a drop-down list in HTML. This is a little bit different from the checkbox we did a few videos ago. A checkbox allows the user to select as many options as they want, but in a drop-down list, you only want them to select one option. That's what we're going to set up in this video. It is the select element that we use to create this drop-down list, and you can see it right here. We need an opening tag and a closing tag, and then we have to use the option element, which we embed inside of our select element. We can put as many options as we want to present to the user inside of our select element. The option tags will allow us to define all the available options in this drop-down list. Let's go ahead and create some options. We'll just put some sports in here. Let's say we had some sort of sports event website, and we want them to pick from 3 sports, and they can only go to one of them. The first one, let's say, is football. We don't really have to worry about the value attribute right now. We'll deal with it later on when we get to PHP and ASP. For now, let's just go ahead and put in football. Here's where we put in the content. This is what will be displayed in our drop-down list. It's very appropriate to keep the value and the name the same, but you can make them different if you want. Let's go ahead and copy and paste a new item in here and pick another sport. We'll go with baseball. To complete the process, let's do one more sport, so we'll give them 3 options to choose from. We'll make this soccer. These are the 3 options they get. Save it, and refresh our HTML page. If we hit our drop-down box here, you can see these are the options that they get in our drop-down list. They can only choose one. Let's say we choose soccer. There you can see only soccer now shows up in the drop-down list. That will be for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.